You have to hold on to that moment because all the rest of it. You have